In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error code C0000020 in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Begin by opening the Start menu. You can do that by clicking the Windows icon in the corner of your screen or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This gets you into the System Settings area where we'll make a small repair that often resolves this particular Teams error. Type Apps and Features into the search bar that appears. You should see a system setting result labeled the same. Open that. This panel lists installed applications and gives you quick access to management tools, which is exactly what we need. In the Apps and Features window, there's another search field labeled Search this list. Click into that field and type Microsoft Teams. That will filter the list down to the Teams entry so it's easy to find without scrolling through everything else on your machine. When the Microsoft Teams entry appears, click on it to reveal more options. You'll see a link for advanced options. Click that to open the detailed management page for the Teams application. This is where Windows exposes repair and reset tools for the app. Scroll down on the advanced options page until you reach the section labeled Reset. Under that heading, you'll find a repair option. Click the repair button to let Windows attempt to fix any corrupted files related to Teams. The repair process is designed to correct issues without deleting your personal data or account settings, so it's a safe first step. After clicking Repair, wait patiently. The system will run the repair quietly in the background, and it usually only takes a few moments. Avoid closing the settings window until you see the repair complete or until a short period has passed. If you're unsure whether it finished, give it another minute to be safe. Once the repair is done, close the settings window and restart your computer. Restarting ensures that any repaired components are properly reloaded and that the system stabilizes after the changes. After your computer comes back up, launch Microsoft Teams and check whether the error code C00020 still appears. If the app starts normally, you're all set. If the issue persists, you may need additional troubleshooting or support, but today's repair step resolves the problem for many users. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe if this helped.